How to add a full reel on Instagram. Hi guys, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and tap on the plus icon in the middle of the bottom bar. And now swipe to the right to access the Reels camera mode. Now tap and hold the circle button at the bottom of the screen to start recording your reel. You can record multiple clips for your reel, each up to 30 seconds long. To stop recording, you can release the circle button. Once you're happy with your reel, tap the next button in the bottom right corner of the screen to proceed to the editing screen. Here, you can add music, text, stickers, and other effects to your reel. When you're done editing, tap the next button again to proceed to the share screen. Here, you can choose to share your screen to your feed, your Reels tab, or both. You can also add a caption, hashtags, and tag other Instagram users. To share the full reel, make sure that the share as a reel toggle is turned on. And now finally tap the share button in the bottom right corner of the screen to publish your reels. By following these steps, you can add a full reel on Instagram and share it with your followers and the wider Instagram community. So this was a video to help you how to add a full reel on Instagram. I really hope this video is going to help you out, and thank you for watching till the end.